Hi guys, and welcome back to Lady AI. Today I wanted to show you guys a really cool tool that I just found called ColoringBook.AI. This app is really great for coloring book creators like myself. It does not just do text to image, it also does photos to coloring pages, right? Well, let's start with the text to coloring page tool. You can find that at the top tab. So we'll come down to put in our text. Okay, you will sign up for an account before you can be able to generate your images. Yeah, you do get some few free credits upon sign up. So let's go back to our prompt. Yeah, there's different levels from toddler to adults depending on which audience you're targeting for your books. And there's the dimensions section where they have different aspect ratios. You can obviously adjust the amount of results you get from 2 to 4, and you can keep your images private. High print quality, I want that. And you can remove the watermark. I love that. So at the moment we are trying out for the toddler level of this prompt here of a tech African woman, right? Let's see what we get. So we'll come and generate right here at the bottom. Click that. It will take some seconds up to a minute to generate. Here we are. Here are the results. It's very nice, and it's just a simple outline for kids that level, right? Okay, so let's go to the to the most difficult section, which is the adult level, right? And let's generate. Wow, here are the results for the adult styles. I love them. I love this one. Okay, so let's now go and look at the image to coloring page. So here it is. Over here we'll see you will pick preserve faces, and I can remove the background if I want. Let's actually try that. And I can upscale my image. Then I can take that to private mode and remove the watermark and generate at the bottom. I think this one is awesome, right? Let's just compare. Yeah, I love it. I think, well, guys, go check out this amazing tool. I have a link to it in my description. Okay, please use that link to go access this amazing app and check it out for yourself. See you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.